Hey, Vegas and Stilettos here. Welcome to my channel. Oh, truth be told, this thing just changed up my plans for the entire day. I was getting ready for the day and I saw out my bedroom window the mailman reach over this black box and stick it in my mailbox, and I was like, I gotta go down and get that. So that's where we are. If you are new here, I like to unbox things. I also like to vlog vacations, and I also like to vlog and review restaurants pretty much all over the world. And with that being said, we are going to get into Boxy Charm. I have seen spoilers. I've seen others unbox this. Usually I don't look at spoilers for Boxy Charm, but I just couldn't help myself this month. I'm not entirely sure why. There are some things in here that I would like to have. There are other things that I don't really care to have. So we'll see which version I got. This box subscription is $21 a month. I will put my sign up link down below. And with that being said, let's get into it. So this is what the box looks like. I'm sorry, I'm just really excited for this box because I have seen, like I said, I have seen some spoilers. So you open it up and here we go. It says peace, love, and Boxy. And then on the reverse side, it has the products, description of the products, and prices. The first thing I am seeing in here is something I absolutely wanted. So we have the Appeal holographic lip gloss. I don't know, I just thought this looked so cool. I mean, it looks really cool in the packaging. The packaging looks really cool. This is $21. It doesn't smell like anything. It's slightly holographic on the skin. I think that this will end up in my purse. The next thing we have is Artist Couture in Diamond Glow Powder. And that is what the box looks like. This is $27. And I just kind of read the description. It said that it's all natural, vegan. What does it say? All natural, vegan, cruelty-free. And I am not going to open this. I've seen some people struggle with this, but it is in Purple Dream. And I know that my hands will not be able to get that open. But that is a really pretty color. I like that. Nice. And the next thing I am pulling out here is the Bodyography Bali Bronze eyeliner. And that is $14. Oh, and it's a pencil. I guess I wasn't really paying attention that much. The other one, what was the other one that people were getting? It was in a really pretty like sea foam or sea green, or I don't know, maybe not green, but like, I want to say sea foam, but it was more like a blue color. I don't remember what the brand name of that was. But this is okay. I mean, I have a lot of colors like that, so it will get used. I would have preferred the other eyeliner because that was so pretty. And generally when I am doing my makeup, generally I like to think outside the box. I usually don't do the typical nude looks or, what's the word I'm looking for? Neutral. I usually don't do a lot of neutral looks, so I don't know. I would have preferred the one that was like that baby blue or that sea foam color. I don't know. I thought that was really pretty. And the next thing I am pulling out here, did I tell you how much that was? Yeah, $14. And the next thing I am pulling out here is a pack of Luxie brushes. This is $28. Now, I am not going to pull this out of the packaging. There are 3 brushes in here. I'm probably going to pass these along. But that, you have 2 eye brushes there, and then you face brush that maybe looks like it would be for highlighter. I don't know. I've never seen a brush like that before. Let's see. What does it say? Okay, so the Luxie 512 is a small contouring brush to sculpt and define your cheekbones. The small shader brush is perfect to pat on your base, shadow, and glitter. Larger shader brush for eye looks. So there is that, and I mean, that's cool. Generally, I would keep brushes, but since I am doing another pay it forward box, I will probably put those in there. And then last, but certainly not least, is the Pure Festival palette. And I will definitely be keeping this. I have seen this, and I'm about to destroy this box because oh, okay, that is interesting. This came in it also. I did not notice this on any other videos. Maybe I just wasn't paying that close of attention, but it's Pure Get a Grip eyeshadow primer. Why did that take a minute to come to the front of my brain? I don't know. So there is that. I mean, I have my go-to eyeshadow primer, so that may or may not get used. I'll stick it in my drawer if I happen upon it. This palette is just, I don't know. These colors, well, I should say some of these colors are just really pretty. This palette is just, well, some of these colors, not all of them. I mean, if you take those 4 colors out, it's a pretty neutral palette, but with those really pretty pops of color, I don't know, I just really like that. Let's stick my finger in some of these. That's what she said. 24 karat magic. Ooh. Wow. That feels different. It feels like it almost has a wet consistency to it, and I've never felt a glitter eyeshadow like that. It's almost like it just sticks by itself. That's kind of cool. Let's check out this Fireworks. That just feels so different. Look how pretty that is. Yeah, I mean, it just glides right on. Wow. Huh. I might have to wear this palette tonight, or not tonight, tomorrow night when I go out. Let's stick my finger in Gypsy. Wow. You guys, let's do Psychedelic. I just can't even with this palette. Like these glitters are just so soft. That's so strange. I gotta just watch that one again. Like it feels like it's kind of wet. So maybe it's in like a gel, but look how evenly and soft that goes on. I wonder how that's gonna perform. I wonder if I'd even have to use a glitter glue with those. But those are really pretty. I am, you know what? And I'm definitely gonna use this color, the Fireworks color. I'm definitely gonna use that because I'm pretty sure tomorrow I am wearing a black dress and I am wearing my Blonde Ambition heels, which are black and they have a bright pink bow on the top of them. So that is my Boxy Charm. I am sorry if I rambled a little bit. I will try to cut those parts out. But I hope you guys have as good of a day as I am having. Bye. I do need to say this real quick. I just want to let you guys know that next month is my birthday month, and I'm going to try to put this disclaimer in all of my videos for this month and probably my videos for next month, just so you know. Next month is my birthday month, and I won't be able to upload as much as I have been doing, but I will try. I mean, I will still get all of the boxes in that I do. I just might have to upload multiple videos on multiple days. But next month, it is my 43rd birthday, and I will be celebrating that in Vegas like I do every year. So, woot! Bye.